guys, today I'm gonna be making some clear slime, but it's not gonna be that clear because we have some glitter and confetti to put in it. So, first we have our bowl and spoon, and then my cousins, Austin, Kenley and Jordan, my little cousins, if they're watching, thank you. Today they just let me have the rest of these glue containers to make some clear slime for you guys. And then they gave me some Nickelodeon slime activator too. These are Nickelodeon slime, if you didn't know. So let's get right into the video. So first, we're gonna pour the glue into our bowl. That sounds very weird. Where's the bag? So I want to be able to put it in. Ooh, that looks good. It's going to be a very tiny batch because we don't have that much in each. So I'm going to show you our ingredients while that's sitting there. While I'm holding this. So I have some of these like little moons to put in it. Little moon confettis. I have another bag of these little moon confettis. I got pink glitter. And then I got a bag of white glitter. So I'll let that stand right there. Actually, no. Blake, my assistant, can you come over here? Can you hold this bottle over on this side while I hold this bottle? Yeah, just hold the bottle. What? So it can, all of it can come out. See, because there's still a lot in there. I'll hold this bottle. This bottle has a lot more than that one did, see?
I think you're going to have a little too much glue.
And that's okay, because a lot of it, this is a very big container, if you guys can't tell. I have one giant slime in 2 of those containers. So this is going to be a really cool clear one. I actually made a clear blue one, but I never made an actual clear white one, like a clear one. Because the tie that I used last time was blue, so it made it blue. So, I think that's good. Oh, that sounds weird, opening a slime bottle. This is going to be a pretty decent size. It would probably take off half of this container. This looks so weird. I never made clear glue before. Like, come in the video and make like something weird back here. Like, go like, shh, look. My brother is acting very weird. He usually loves to dance and stuff back here, so.
Wait, what? Okay, yeah, I didn't hear you. Okay, cool. Brooke, this is your little mathematics guy. Look at, here's your little buddy for now who can help you. Because I'm not going to be here for the rest of the night. You're welcome.
Okay, shush. Okay. My brother is coming in, like, interrupting. Okay, now we have a clear base. It just looks clear in here, so you're not, if I tip it over, it's all going to spill out and just ruin my carpet. So, now I'm going to put some activator in. But, first, I'm going to try out something. I'm going to add a little glitter and see what happens if I add it before.
What if you mess it up? You don't got.
Oh yeah, no. I'll just do what I usually do.
Yeah, do whatever other people do when you do. Just only, don't put too much. I want to put too much.
It's turning into slime right now. I turn into slime really fast. Look at it.
Oh wait, that actually looks pretty nice.
Oh my god, guys, look at it. Hold on.
That
I'm mixing it.
Good. I don't think you'll see it
on camera, but
yeah,
you can't see it. It looks white to you guys. looks clear.
But
to
it's
us.
really clear. Like you can seriously see everything through it. You can even see dust.
It does look a little white. Should I go in for my hands? No, it's too sticky still.
Yeah, I think I'll just mix it for like another 2 minutes, and then mix it.
Here, I'm gonna put a tiny bit more in. Teeny bit.
Just 1 drop. I would do 1 drop.
That's good. But it still looks really sticky. Oh no, that's not that sticky. Here, I'm gonna go in with my hands. Blake, can you give me that bag? Because I'm gonna put the spoon on the top of the bag.
Kind of looks like snow, kind of.
It's kind of sticky. I mean,
That would be great for making clear bubbles.
oh my god. Oh my god. It's so sticky. It's still really sticky. But it's like a good consistent. I can't even say it. It's like nice, but it's really sticky. And it doesn't really feel like slime because it feels too hard to be slime.
Let me feel. Oh no, that's pretty good. That is a little sticky.
It's like not stretchy. So if you
Whatever,
buy
at least
this
it's
glue,
cool.
don't use. This is really strong.
At least it's slime and not like hard, like glitter.
I told you it's not stretchy at all. It's like what do you want?
Like a bouncy.
There's more glue in here. Wait, that might help a little. I know. Wait. My brother's like begging me to put the nice stuff in, but I'm not putting it in until it's a nice consistency. Which I don't think it's gonna be until I put more glue in. I'm just gonna wait. And wait.
Wait.
It's like a very. Is there any more glue? Whatever. Ew. I got some slime on it, whatever. So we're gonna see how it turns out if I put some glitter in it. I think it will just make it harder.
How about we just put just a little dab of pink glitter, then like some moons, because then it'll look pretty good.
No, I think I'm just gonna put white glitter in.
Just white, and then you won't see see-through. See-through is better than white. I would put pink in it.
But it doesn't stretch. Just breaks apart. I don't like this slime. Blake, can we get my other slime and see if we... Oh, wait, where is it? It's right here. I'm going to see if I mix this, a little bit of this, and a little bit of this to see if it actually will make it nicer.
Oh. It's going to make it so sticky.
Look at this.
That it
breaks completely apart.
I found some.
Like, if you take a little bit, I mean, it's pretty, it's not stretchy at all either.
I'm going to keep my feet on it. Oh, that's good, Lucky.
I think I put too much in the beginning. Look at this.
That's why I told you not to bring too much.
Oh, look at it.
Lucky. I want to keep it in your bag.
I like it. It's my white beard now.
Pretty impressive.
Wait, I actually can stick it to make it look like my white beard.
Okay, I'll take this.
Hi,
And
guys.
a spoon out of your way. And the baggie just so you know. Okay, there you go.
I'm going to put in some moons. No, I'll put in some white glitter.
This is just handy.
I'm putting in some white glitter. First, I'm going to show you the product. It's like squishy, but it's a product. No, I'm putting in most of this glue. I think we'll just make a head. But we'll see.
Wait, what are you doing? Now you're making your own slime?
If there's any glue that comes out, tell me.
I don't see nothing. Okay, this one has glue in it. Yeah, just a little, but whatever. At least a little.
This is going to make it so pretty. At least it's pretty. It doesn't have to be stretchy. It just has to be pretty.
Not bad. I mean, it's coming out, Buck. Just a little. That's not even going to make slime.
Yeah, but I'm going to need that glue because This is not a finished
Well, I'm
part.
making this for me, so yeah.
Let me see how much is coming out.
That's just barely any.
Hold on, let me see. I can't see.
There's some in there too.
I can't see.
It's just right there. Well, then
No, Blake, that's gonna be for this. That's barely enough to make a little batch. Here, I'll give you some of this. This is as much as you're gonna make, Blake. That's as much as in there.
what's
That much.
this? You know, it might be a little bit.
This one is more.
I wanna see.
There's your look. There's
See?
your quick peek.
Cut the camera. Blake, this is my glue.
No. Well, I'm using it.
Dad,
I'm using it.
you're not using it. I
Okay,
need
this
it.
one has some too. This
Look.
one too.
Don't do it. Okay, now give me it back.
No, this is my glue.
Okay, but if you make it too sticky, it's not going to be my fault. It's going to be all your fault.
I don't care if it's my fault.
So give me it.
No, Blake, it's mine. Mine. Did you not hear me in the first place?
I'm taking out this.
Yeah.
I don't care. You didn't take the activator.
Oh, okay. Then I'll just use some of it. I don't know.
You're not using any of my activator.
Well, I can use some of it.
Come on downstairs.
I'm trying to make some. Ruby was making some slime, and she said she's done with all this slime. And then I wanted to make a slime out of whatever was left, and then she just put it into a slime.
Ooh, this looks nice. It's not as stretchy, but it's still really good consistency. Pretty squishy. So with this slime, I would say it's very bouncy. Oh yeah, that's bouncy, all right. Slammer. It is kind of bouncy. Actually, I'll show you. It's very bouncy. That was bad. Do not do that at home. Oh my god. I just got the best idea. Hand sanitizer makes it stickier. Hand sanitizer. Because when I was at school, I had slime, and then I decided to put some hand sanitizer in it to make it smell better. And so I put some in, and it just made it stickier. And I thought it would make it harder, because when it dries on your hands, it makes it harder. It makes your hands feel harder. So that's why after I get all this glue out, I'm going to use some hand sanitizer to see if that will work and help out the process. It's making it stretchier. The glue. It's still really bouncy. At the same time, it's a little stretchy. I mean, if you want a perfect slime, I would not go with this slime I'm making. I didn't know the activator would be that strong. It would be like, magic glue stuff is really not that strong. But if you get Nickelodeon slime glue and if you get Nickelodeon slime glue, the best thing for it will be Nickelodeon activator. Whatever. I'm just not gonna do that anymore. Now I'm gonna add the hand sanitizer and see if that helps. It's gonna give it a little color, I think, but it's okay. At least our slime is really good and nice. Ooh, yeah, that does help a lot more, a lot better. Like, it gives a little glitter, because this is a glittery one I have. It dyes some of the glitter pink, and it's a little stretchy this time. This actually might be a success. And you can't poke it. It's very hard to poke. It's still really nice. This is, if you want to get this, it's at Bath and Body Works. So you just go there for slime. You can go to Bath and Body Works and get stuff for slime to help you out with making slime. Oh my god, this feels so nice now. At first, if you put a lot, it feels really squishy. But if you keep kneading it, it won't anymore. Like, you'll start feeling nice and connected, not so squishy and slippery. I love this slime now. It's so glittery. If you guys can't see, oh, that's so glittery. And there's still more glitter on the table that it didn't take up yet. So glittery, guys. Look at it. I'm putting more hand sanitizer in to make it more or less.
Look.
What? Hand sanitizer makes it stretchy.
Once I made slime, don't worry, that's just the air conditioner. But once I made slime with and I put some hand sanitizer in
I
it.
put a lot already.
And 1 week later, it was hard as heck. I couldn't even. Once I stepped on it as hard as I can, it didn't even move. It was as hard as a rock.
That's your slime. I put hand sanitizer in that slime over there. Actually, right here. This slime, I put hand sanitizer in it.
Well, yeah, because I had different glue. Mine had Nickelodeon glue like that.
Where did you get the Nickelodeon glue? We never had Nickelodeon glue.
Well, I remember I used from the cousins, but that was like 2 years ago.
They didn't have this 2 years ago.
Yeah, they used to collect slime, remember? I remember.
Oh my god, it's a little stretchier. Like, I can actually do this without it breaking, but it's the consistency is getting better. Wow, try out hand sanitizer. I recommend using like not a whole bottle. Like, mine was down to the bottom, just went down a little bit. So just use a little bit. I mean, I used a lot, but I want to see how it works out for this one because it was really hard. It makes it a little stretchier, so I wanted to see how it works out. Now we're gonna put some moons in it. See how it's already really glittery? We're gonna put some more glitter and some moons. A lot more glitter, of course. You want to make that as glittery as possible. We get glittery circus in here. Oh my god, at my cousin's house, they made a whole bunch of little slimes with this, so that's why there was only a little bit left in each. But each one was so glittery because they got like 12 glitter packets, so they gave me 2 of the moons because they only had 2 left, one of the pink ones because they only had 1 left, and then they had one more white one, but it was all disgusting looking, so I just took the last nice one. Here's the shininess. In the camera, it looks super like metallic, and out here, it looks really metallic too. Should I put a mix of Lakers? Should I put there's no more, I already tried. There might be a teensy little drop, but there's not that much more. Like, look at, I already did all the white one. Should I put a pink too, so it's like a mix of pink and white? Glitter? Okay, this is gonna be such a glittery slime.
If it's too glittery, it'll get all over you. Just to let you know.
It's already getting all over the table, so I don't care. Oh my god, that's a lot of glitter, but
Ooh, this has
I mean,
too much love.
on my channel or my on this channel. I don't know what's gonna be yet. We're gonna be a fan of glitter. I'm already a fan of glitter. Oh my god, it's getting everywhere, Blake. Oh my god, Blake, look at this pink glitter! Blake, look at it! It's turning the whole slime pink because there's so much glitter. This is turning the whole slime like a baby pink. Like my baby color. I'm picking up all this. And also, if you want to clean a keyboard, slime is a really good thing to clean a keyboard with.
A keyboard.
To clean one, yeah, it's
Why
really
a keyboard?
because if there's oh my god, look at Blake, look at this.
Oh my gosh.
There's a bubble and it never pops. Like I keep pushing it down as hard as I can. It's not popping. Now should I put balloons in this too?
Sure, not too much.
Yeah, I'll put like less than half of a packet because it's already a lot of glitter.
Too much.
And then I'll put the rest in this slime. Like this slime is my favorite. I've actually mixed all my slimes together. This is the one I mixed all together. All my different slimes together. I was gonna keep them all, but I was like, no, let's go big and go home. So I went big and I just mixed them all together. I got a pink beard now. Blake, do you wanna have a pink beard? Get in here. Told you there was barely anything. This is a good slime. I like this slime. And it smells good.
Oh, it smells really good.
I love the smell of this hand sanitizer. It's my favorite hand sanitizer ever.
Slime is a hand sanitizer, first of all.
It smells like my favorite kind, so technically it is hand sanitizer now.
Yeah, whatever. I don't mind.
This feels so nice. Oh my god, Blake, look at that. Look at that. Look at all that glitter, Blake. I barely can see through you. I can see you, it's just you're a little blurry because of all the... Do you hear that? Oh yeah. If it's not enough to make a slime, I'm putting in some in here.
No, because I'm making my own little baby slime.
Look at this, guys. Look at how pink this is. I always think it would be clear, and I would love a clear slime. It's clear and pink. It's pink clear. Should have kept my blue clear too. Whatever. But my blue clear I put inside of. If you go and watch that channel, I'll have it in the link below. It's the one where I mixed the blue one into here. So now we're gonna put a little bit of these, not a whole lot, because I don't really want these in the slime, but we're gonna go for it. A little bit. I just went all out. And we put the rest in the slime. Oh, I barely can open it. With only one hand. I love the moons. I'm gonna mix that and see if it's enough moons to make it really pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is gonna be my pink moon slime. Pink glittery moon slime.
Oh, that's a weird name.
I'm seriously gonna write down on the container I'm using it. I'm kidding now. Because I might mix it with another slime and then that container just has a regular name on it. So I don't want to do that. We're gonna put a whole bag in. No stop at me there.
I mean, you're gonna put a whole bag in, not we, because they're on the internet. Well, no, but
They're not in the internet. They're on the internet.
yeah, that's what I said. They're on the internet.
You said they're in the internet.
Did I?
Yeah, you said they're in the internet.
If you
Guys, my brother's crazy tonight.
guys, if you want to make slime with Mrs. Owl, then you gotta subscribe.
If you like this video and you want me to make more, subscribe and comment down below if you do. Say in the subscription below, hashtag slime time.
In hashtag Owl time.
So, bye guys. First, I'm going to show you guys what the slime turned out to be. I'm going to walk up there. So guys, look at this. Stars, moons, and pink and white glitter. Look at this, guys. Wait for it. It's so stretchy. And watch, guys. I'm gonna turn it into a ball. It's so bouncy that I can turn it into a ball. It's gonna be so cool. Okay, guys, look how bouncy this is. It's bouncy. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this glitter in it. Okay, ready, set, go. It fell on my chair. Shabooyah! It's getting everywhere. Oh my god.
Hashtag slime kit.
I'm gonna put more of my hand sanitizer on it.
So yeah, hashtag slime, everybody.
As time, slime time! So in the comments below, if you want me to make more videos like this, comment down below what hashtag slime time. The hashtag symbol and slime time. So then I'll make more videos of me making slime. I even will maybe make a video of me making a slime out of a giant container of glue. One big slime.
Okay, that might be cool.
First, I'm gonna keep mixing this. Oh, this feels so nice. I just added some. Like, feel this. It feels so nice.
That's really hard.
Yours is gonna be really hard, I bet.
It's just a little.
Did you hear that? Blake, do you want to put some of this glitter in?
It was a foot.
You want to put some of this glitter in there?
Sure. Give me that. Give me that glitter. Give me that glitter.
Give me that glitter.
I got my glitter.
Give me some of that glitter, glitter, glitter. When I got donut. Glitter, glitter. Give me some of that glitter, glitter, glitter. Give me some of that glitter.
Guys, so I just made my own little piece of slime. You can see it's see-through. I mean, it's clear. You could see like little flecks with the light off the light. It's really cool, but it's very small. That's the only problem that I got.
Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down below. Bye.